Nifty Bank opens at a record high of 43,192 as analysts remain bullish on the banking pack that has consistently outperformed the broader market over the past few months.
Punjab National Bank surges on the government's nod for the sale of over 15% stake in UTI AMC for 1,330 crore rupees.
Brokerages maintain their buy call on Axis Bank following positive management commentary on asset and growth at an analyst meet.
PVR gains as it opens 12-screen multiplex along with Kerala's first ever IMAX theatre in Kerala, expanding its footprint in South India.
Paytm surges on the back of a bullish brokerage note coming in from Citi. They say that the company has gained market share in digital payments versus PayU.
Well, it's a quiet start to trade. The Nifty is as flat as can be. It was a bit of a sell on the opening, but now we have stabilized. And the good news is the breadth of the market is looking pretty good, and that's something that the bulls will really be looking forward to. So, Mangalam, we are starting a new series, and portfolios will be feeling much better actually today. Just take a look at the mid-cap index. It's up 300 points. It's up close to 100%. And the Nifty is doing absolutely nothing. Breadth of the market as well. 2 stocks advancing for 1 stock declining. Feeling good this Friday.
Feeling good this Friday. FIs would perhaps be singing, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And that's primarily because, towards the end of this year, when the institutions go for a holiday, that's what they say, right? When the cat is away, the mice begin to play. So is the mid-cap index going to outperform all through December? And one thing is for sure, I was just looking at, the FII long exposure, which is 77% at the start of this series. In the last 3 years, every time the FII exposure has been more than 70%, the Nifty has actually gained in that series as against lost, because a lot of people say that, maybe it's overbought, etc. Turns out, no. Last December itself, the FIIs at the start of the series were 77% long, and we saw over 1,000 points in terms of gains coming by. So our new record highs for the Nifty around? That's the big question.
Well, difficult to get a trend actually, Mangalam, because at the start of October, they were net short on the index and we had a great series. November series, they were net long on the index and we also had a great series. So this time, let's see how things go. But you mentioned about music and singing. I think today we're going to get a song from you at some point of time during the day. So I'll just tell our viewers to stay tuned for that. I think Mangalam's going to be giving us a song later today, and he's been promising that all through the week. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, there is closing bell today, so maybe if the market does nothing,
then maybe we have a song from Mangalam. So let's.
It's a trio. All three of us will sing. Shankar Ehsan Loy.
Let's get back to markets.
All right.
Manas Jaiswal joins in. Hi, Manas. We are feeling a lot like Friday, and we're looking forward to the weekend. But for the time being, we need to track the markets, and we are 90 minutes into the trading session. But you didn't miss anything on the headline index. What's your view on the index from here on? What are the levels you're looking at?
Good morning, Nigel. Good morning, Mangalam. So definitely after yesterday's move, when Nifty has broken the resistance of 18,400, we are definitely quite bullish. And looking at the charts, I believe that Nifty is ready to test its previous high, that 18,600 mark. However, the target of this breakout, what we have seen yesterday, I think the target of that breakout comes 18,750. So I think even from current levels, you can see almost 300 points rally. And any correction, like today we have seen some profit booking on higher levels. I think any correction would be a great buying opportunity. So I think even at current levels, one can definitely take long position. Stop loss should be around 18,400. And the first target comes 18,600 and second is 18,750.
All right, we take that point. 300 points on the Nifty from here as well is possible, and any dip should be a buying opportunity. Manas, both Nigel and I are feeling Friday, but you're seeming very Monday-like. I can't see you smile, etc. Can you give us a broad smile, individual stocks, and maybe break into a bit of a song as well if you want to?
No, I don't think
Go for it, Manas. Go for it. You can give us a couple of lines if you choose to.
No, seriously, I don't think.
Let's stick to the stocks then.
So 2 stocks I would like to recommend. See, since broader markets are looking very strong, I think one can definitely look at broader markets. So 2 stocks from the broader markets. First is from banking sector. So I think one can now look at IDFC First Bank. See, we have seen a lot of consolidation in last 2-3 weeks time, but since IDFC Bank has given a fresh breakout today above 58 rupees, I think here one can definitely take long position. The stop loss should be around 57.50 and target would be around 62 rupees in IDFC First Bank. And second is India Cement, because we have seen some correction. Stock has taken support near 100-day moving average. It was facing resistance near 20-day moving average, but since today stock has given a breakout above 20-day moving average, I think one can definitely look at India Cements. Take a long position here. Stop loss should be around 235, and the first target comes 250.
All right, Manas, thanks a lot for that. Take your point on the stocks that you've mentioned. In fact, you spoke about India Cements. A lot of the other cement stocks doing well as well. We have Ultratech, which has moved to the high point of trade. And in just the last few minutes, a bit of a spike coming by on JK Cement as well from the F&O space, currently sitting with a gain of about 2.5%. But we step into a short break. As we do that, here's a quick programming note. In a few hours from now, CNBC-TV18 is all set to lead charge with one-of-a-kind mega initiative, Future Female Forward, the Women's Collective. It is presented by HSBC. Catch the on-ground event in presence of Shireen Bhan, who's the managing editor, Hitendra Dave of HSBC, and other women leaders of India Inc. as well, live this evening at 5:30 p.m. Also in attendance will be